Let us revise beginning letter. Look at the pictures. Write the beginning letters to complete their names. This is an apple. Apple. When we say apple, we are getting the A sound in the beginning. So which letter makes A sound? Letter A. A-double-P-L-E, apple. This is bib. Bib. When we say bib, we are getting the B sound in the beginning. So which letter makes B sound? Letter B. B-I-B, bib. This is carrot. Carrot. When we say carrot, we are getting the K sound in the beginning. So which letter makes K sound? Letter C. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. This is duck. Duck. When we say duck, we are getting the D sound in the beginning. So which letter makes D sound? Letter D. D-U-C-K, duck. This is an Eskimo. Eskimo. When we say Eskimo, we are getting the E sound in the beginning. So which letter makes E sound? Letter E. E-S-K-I-M-O, Eskimo. This is a family. Family. When we say family, we are getting the F sound in the beginning. So which letter makes F sound? Letter F. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. This is goose. Goose. When we say goose, we are getting the G sound in the beginning. So which letter makes G sound? Letter G. G-O-O-S-E, goose. This is a horn. Horn. When we say horn, we are getting the H sound in the beginning. So which letter makes H sound? Letter H. H-O-R-N, horn. This is an infant. Infant. When we say infant, we are getting the I sound in the beginning. So which letter makes I sound? Letter I. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. This is a jaguar. Jaguar. When we say jaguar, we are getting the J sound in the beginning. So which letter makes J sound? Letter J. J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. This is a kettle. Kettle. When we say kettle, we are getting the K sound in the beginning. So which letter makes K sound? Letter K. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. This is a leaf. Leaf. When we say leaf, we are getting the L sound in the beginning. So which letter makes L sound? Letter L. L-E-A-F, leaf. This is mirror. Mirror. When we say mirror, we are getting the sound in the beginning. So which letter makes sound? Letter M. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. This picture shows nap. Nap. When we say nap, we are getting the sound in the beginning. So which letter makes sound? Letter N. N-A-P, nap. This is an octopus. Octopus. When we say octopus, we are getting the O sound in the beginning. So which letter makes O sound? Letter O. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. This is a pear. Pear. When we say pear, we are getting the P sound in the beginning. So which letter makes P sound? Letter P. P-E-A-R. Pear. This is queen. Queen. When we say queen, we are getting the Q sound in the beginning. So which letter makes Q sound? Letter Q. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. This is ring. Ring. When we say ring, we are getting the R sound in the beginning. So which letter makes R sound? Letter R. R-I-N-G. Ring. This is ship. Ship. When we say ship, we are getting the sound in the beginning. So which letter makes sound? Letter S. S-H-I-P. Ship. This is teapot. Teapot. When we say teapot, can you hear the T sound in the beginning? So which letter makes T sound? Letter T. T-E-A-P-O-T. Teapot. This is umpire. Umpire. When we say umpire, we are getting the sound in the beginning. So which letter makes sound? Letter U. U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire. This is volcano. Volcano. When we say volcano, we are getting the V sound in the beginning. So which letter makes V sound? Letter V. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. The boy is wet. Wet. When we say wet, we are getting the W sound in the beginning. So which letter makes W sound? Letter W. W-E-T. Wet. X-ray. X-ray. When we say X-ray, we are getting the X sound in the beginning. So which letter makes X sound? Letter X. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. This is yellow. Yellow. When we say yellow, we are getting the Y sound in the beginning. So which letter makes Y sound? Letter Y. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. This is zucchini. Zucchini. When we say zucchini, we are getting the Z sound in the beginning. So which letter makes Z sound? Letter Z. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-E. Zucchini. So children, I hope you understood how to write the beginning letter. So you have to learn A to Z phonic sounds. If you know the sounds, you can easily write the beginning letter.